Hello happy family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipe. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make my healthy vegetable waakye recipe. And this waakye, we're going to make it without the leaves, so wherever you are you can easily make it at home, and trust me, it will taste the same like your local Ghana waakye. Come and let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna need black eyed beans. You can use any beans of your choice. Alright friends, whether it's black beans, red beans, white beans, you can use it. So I'm using here about 1 cup of black eyed beans. Normally that's what they use to prepare the waakye. So I'm gonna wash it 2 times just to get everything settled. So after you wash your beans, go ahead and transfer them into your pot. I'm using a low medium heat to prepare this waakye. So next I'm going to add hot water. Normally I leave my beans and I soak them in the water for about an hour, but today it's okay, we can just cook it right away with hot water. Since we don't have waakye leaves, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Yes, this thing here does the job for you. If you don't have the waakye leaves, you can go ahead and use just baking soda and it will cook it just like the waakye leaves. But if you have the waakye leaves, that's absolutely fine. So as you can tell, gradually our beans is cooking really nice and soft, and we want it to be like medium way, not fully cooked, so you don't want your rice to be too soft. So go ahead and check and see if the beans is cooked. So right now it is halfway cooked, so I'm going to cover it just to leave it for extra 5 minutes and it will be ready. So meanwhile, I have here oil on the stove. I'm going to add my fresh ginger, hot pepper and garlic right here. Normally I like to season my oil before I start frying my fish. So as you can tell, I have here my fish. It's already washed and seasoned, and just go ahead and fry them. You can use any fish of your choice. Okay, so on this part I have here my Mandi Basmati rice, and as you can tell, it looks really nice and so healthy. So I'm going to measure about 2 cups of Mandi Basmati rice. We already shipped second batch of Mandi rice to Ghana and should be arriving somewhere in September 15th. So please watch out for Mandi Basmati rice if you are in Ghana. Yes, the second batch is going to be available very soon, and I'll keep you updated as we receive it in Ghana. Alright, so next I'm going to add here my salt, depending how much you like your salt. If you like less, add less salt. And after that, go ahead and stir and cover and lower your heat and have it simmer. On this part, as you can tell, my fish is almost done. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around, make sure that everything is nice and cooked well. That is all that we wanted, okay? So after you leave your fish, let's go ahead and check the rice. So rice is half cooked, so I'm going to add my OBAAPA'S pasta in here. You can add macaroni, you can add any spaghetti of your favorites, you just throw them in there. This is just an option, just like it, that's why I just added in here. Alright, so after you add it, go ahead and stir and have it simmer again, and gradually check your rice because you don't want it to burn. On this part, I like vegetables, so today I'm going to add some few vegetables in here, which is carrots and green pepper. I tried this for the first time and it was really amazing. In fact, it levels up the waakye, and I'm so happy. I was really glad how it came out. It came absolutely beautiful and delicious. Yes, so try. As you can see, our waakye is almost done. Go ahead and get your stew ready. I'm going to serve in a sanka as I always do. Thank you so much, friends. This is so simple, easy peasy waakye recipe that you can make at home. Remember, you can still make a waakye at home without the leaves. That is the secret behind it. Go ahead and serve it whatever you want to serve with. Your shito. Go ahead and add it, your Gari. Anything that you want to add, your salad. Just complete this dish. But as for today, this is what we are going to enjoy with. So I hope you really enjoy this recipe. This weekend, these weekdays, please make some at home and tag me. Let me know how yours came out. If you're a guy, female, you can all make this deliciousness right here. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this page. Please, friends, share so we can still keep moving forward. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all your love and support. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a gorgeous, beautiful day. Madam Namase, Awache, Messi, we a better to see. Bye bye.